Make your Squarespace videos shine on every screen, no matter the device. Ever wondered how to tailor your Squarespace videos for mobile users? It's simpler than you think, and crucial for a great user experience today. We're diving into how to use a different video on Squarespace Mobile. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where your video is located once you're in edit mode. Find the video block you want to adjust. Click on the video block to open its settings panel. This is where the magic happens for mobile optimization. Look for the advanced settings or responsiveness options within the video block settings. Squarespace often provides specific controls to manage how your video appears on different devices. Here's where you can choose to display an alternative video specifically for mobile devices. This is perfect if you have a shorter or more compressed version of your video that loads faster on slower connections. You'll usually find an option to upload or link a different video file here. Alternatively, you might have settings to control video player behavior. For instance, you can often enable or disable autoplay for mobile, or choose whether the video plays with sound by default. These small adjustments can significantly improve how your content is consumed on the go. If you're not directly uploading a different video, consider the aspect ratio and resolution. Squarespace's responsive design usually handles this well, but ensuring your primary video is optimized for various screen sizes from the start is key. Remember to save your changes. Once saved, preview your page on a mobile device or by using your browser's developer tools to simulate different screen sizes. This ensures your mobile video strategy is working as intended. By providing alternative video content or adjusting playback options, you guarantee a smoother, more engaging experience for your mobile visitors. Happy optimizing!